Thank you guys so much for waiting. I hope you have all had an enchanting evening, mesmerized by the amount of talent, and it's very hard to even express the energy and the time each of the participants and their parents took to make this evening enjoyable for you. So please give a big hand of appreciation to each of the participants. Thank you guys so much for being here, because without you being here, there is no Onam in Augusta. Onam is where we all get together, make time for each other, remember how precious each of us are, and we are away from home. So this is one fantastic celebration. The Kerala Association makes it a very high priority, and I can say that, I get goosebumps every time I look at each of the artists. They are all professionals or young students. Each of them have stepped up to the plate and done an outstanding job. Now, none of this is possible if we did not have the cooperation and the camaraderie that we have with the Columbia County staff. I want to especially thank Diane. Diane has been like, Wonder Woman. Every time we call her, she just shows up. She says, I'll be there in 10 minutes, and she shows up. And she is one of our community. So please, when you see Diane, please thank her. Also, our sound engineer, Marcus. Marcus is so excited to be part of this committee and part of our cultural program. He looks forward to it. So that is a compliment not only to us but to Marcus, because he feels part of us and we welcome him as a member of our community. So once again, if you see Marcus, Marcus does an outstanding job again. You never see him, but he is the power behind everything you see as far as the program goes. Without music, without the coordination of the music and the programs, we wouldn't have a great evening. So I want to thank Marcus again. Most of all, the effort of parents, each of the people and the children who participated, they have practiced hours through midnight. And all of the newcomers who have joined our programs have made really a huge difference. Every time you see a new dimension to what Augusta can do. So thanks again, guys. What's standing between me and the great Onam Sadhya is Valamkali. So I'm going to let you guys enjoy Valamkali. Thank you again.